we've got our snack crate for the month of July. So if you want to see what country we're visiting and how everything tastes, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm Chloe. And this furry guy is Bandit. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So we have our snack crate for the month of July. And this is our first chance to get to open it. It came at the first week of August. Each month they focus on a different country. And I have no idea. Egypt?
I guess now.
Oh. Is that last month?
No, that was India last month.
Oh. Then I don't know. I guess Egypt. It's not Egypt.
It's like a guessing game where
No.
I'll give you
Germany.
No. South.
France?
Nope.
I don't know.
Okay, you're close though. It touches Morocco.
Spain?
Yes.
Oh, that'll be a good one. All right. So this month we have Spain. The population is 47.5 million. The capital is Madrid, and the language is Spanish. We have some lemon bites. This seems like it's soft. Experience a burst of sunshine in every bite with our moist, zesty lemon cake and irresistible Spanish delight that melts in your mouth. I think that's something you're going to like. Anything else?
All right.
We have some spicy chorizo chips. Those look promising. That's a savory.
Something you'd like over here. Yep.
Some Chupa Chups margarita gummies.
Disney gummies.
These are little roll-up ones. And it looks like there's strawberries and cream flavor in this picture here. Strawberry cream rollers. A chewy swirl of strawberry and cream finished with a hint of sour. So these are...
You dropped it.
Sorry, but my hand doesn't go that way. Choco Crunch Bites. And rich chocolatey bites of Spain's irresistible Choco Crunch. Small size, big and flavor.
There's some things like chocolate Cheetos thing.
These is popcorn. Popcorn coated in a smooth milk chocolate.
Now we gotta freeze these.
White chocolate covered Oreos, it looks like.
It's like a Kit Kat basically, kinda. And a Crunch Bar.
Right, and it has a chocolate filling.
Correct.
Hold on. Those are baked corn rings, and they are a barbecue flavor. It doesn't say that it is spicy.
Correct. Ooh, I'm excited for this.
So these look like kind of a licorice.
Yeah, the sweet part actually.
I think that's the first one. Those Twizzlers made.
We have spicy mangoes.
Spicy mango gummies.
We have our soda, looks like another lime.
It is apple.
Oh, wow.
Apple soda blends sweet and tart flavors with every fizz.
We also have our black chip. Another pastry.
And this has some chocolate on the bottom.
There's some strawberry cream things. I think it's candy or something.
Strawberry sticks And they're just chewy strawberry candy, juicy fruity, and delightfully nostalgic. Ham flavor.
Get these. Apparently they're no gluten, I think.
Bold, savory flavor in every bite. I believe these are also hand flavored. It says peppers and fragrant herbs. It says.
And then cheese, Cheetos.
All right, and these are cheddar flavor. What do we want to try? Here, let's do this. You want to start with sweet or savory?
I do.
Sure.
You do?
Here is the drink.
It's like apple cider.
That's different.
Carbonated apple cider though, I
Yeah.
like it. Also not as spiced, I think, as apple cider. That has like a lot of cinnamon, nutmeg.
All right, so here is that lemon cake. So broken up, here's how it looks. Hey, hey, hey. I've had something like this before, but I can't remember what.
Yeah.
Very lemon forward, very enjoyable.
This is going to try. Also, can I put the strawberry things up your back?
Yeah. All right, I say maybe we try this.
All right.
Okay, and then we'll put these back.
All right. Negotiation skills. You can be like hot dogs or is it just gonna be sour?
I think it's just gonna be sour.
That's what I think too. It reminds me of the Hubba Bubba rolls.
And it so wants some. And this is not for you, I'm so sorry.
It's very sticky.
Oh, I'm getting sour. I'm definitely getting sour. Anything else you want to try from the sweet?
I feel like this can be too hard to really split.
Yeah.
And I think it'd be
That
better.
night, yeah.
Yeah. So do you want to try a little bit of this?
All right, so we're going to try this one. This has chocolate with it. Yeah. You cannot. I'm so sorry. The cake is nice and spongy. It's vanilla cream, and then a light chocolate coating on the back. Yeah. So, all right. Cleanse your palate and go on to savory. Oh, the cheese. Yeah, let's try the cheese here.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to try the chorizo chips.
That's good. That's good. It's really good. I would eat those.
So,
Alright.
so Chloe is trying these here.
Really good.
I'm going to try one of the ham flavored things next.
Sure.
Right.
It's actually really good. You know what?
And we're going to try these ham flavored puffs. They do look like little turtle shells. I know. I now get the reference.
That's strange. It doesn't really taste that heavy.
It tastes like much. It almost tastes like a cassava shell.
Yeah. Just to be fair, I like the sour chips, especially the ones that we got from one of our other houses that were like the pepper vegetable flavors. Those are really good.
Not much of a flavor.
Anything else you want to try? You want to wrap it up?
I think that's it. All right. So that's our tour of Spain and some very tasty things in there. There's only one thing that I probably won't try. And those pepper chips. Oh, yeah. But let us know your thoughts. What is your favorite treat in general? Do you like sweet or savory? All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.